Introducing the Samsung Galaxy A10e, a feature-rich smartphone with plenty of performance and unbeatable nationwide coverage from Tracfone. The A10e runs on Android 9.0, has storage for all your photos and videos, and an octa-core processor to keep everything running smoothly. Its large touchscreen provides an enjoyable edge-to-edge viewing experience, and the 5-megapixel front-facing camera makes video chat with your friends crisp and clear. The Galaxy A10e can capture the finest details of your special moments with an 8-megapixel rear camera that also records stunning high-quality video. Use it to access a world of apps, books, games, and more on Google Play. And find your way with built-in GPS navigation. The Samsung Galaxy A10e, everything you need to stay connected with friends, family, and, well, everything at just the right price. Available from Tracfone. Now you're in control.